Guys, welcome people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. And to my wonderful subscribers, I thank you all for your love and the massive support. Help me to subscribe to my channel. It's a new platform, and help me to subscribe, share my video, your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, to all your via social media platform, and let our video go wide. Thank you all for always tuning in. I love you all. So like today, my darling people, we don't come again with another hot aproko. Una know say this channel na those kind matter when you go here, you go say, hey bami oh, now we dey here for this place. Then they bring for this our channel. It's a storyline channel. This place now for true life story. That's why I say sometimes maybe we dey bring aproko when people don't shoot mouth blog and but is a storyline channel. So if you get that story when they bother you, I beg bring am to our doorstep. We go help you nanara analyze am. Una know na they trust me. Una know how it dey run am. So let's keep it rolling. So may we dive into the topic of today. Our mommy, our brothers, our sisters, our uncles, our daddies, thank you all for all una love and support. So like today, my darling people, I don't come again with another hot matter. If una hear this matter, it don seke again, it don happen. Now this our sister na call, our sister bring matter. If una hear this matter, una head go heavy, gbo. Una go dey imagine say Jesus. Sometimes our guests many never open eye at all. Ye. Because if una see this matter when they carry console, yeah, na sit down, they chop popcorn, and as I dey download and you go dey upload am. So make me upload me for a download. Oh yeah, now. So this our sister, our beautiful sister, bring this story. He say in dey for this our obodo Igbo, which the country I no mention. He say but in dey part of this western world for the Europe side. Tize. Oh yeah na. He say so as in dey for some years he don still take dey. So he come dey friend one bros. So as in dey follow these bros, they love each other. Not until one day bros come tell am, see, my darling sister, I don't take for this abroad, and I never dualize oyibo. Me, I want still dualize oyibo. Eyun pa ojari teme. He say he want still go test oyibo. Now so black na the test. He need oyibo now. Is there any way when you take go for help him make him see oyibo? Then the girl come say, show, which one come be this you and your oyibo matter? You defend oyibo. Who oyibo who dey find the wrong? You will never. He say no, he no go fit just come abroad without he no test that pot of oyibo soup. He won't test. Now the sister come say, okay, he no get the way want to help you. Then bros come begin dey find for internet by himself. He begin enter inside social media. He begin dey select. He begin dey write any oyibo we just see feature. He begin dey search the all oyibo names, send dem request, begin dey chat with oyibo. Na so he come take see one wey we dey call iyakon baba mewa meji. He come carry one. As he don carry this oyibo, oyibo matter. He no know say the oyibo na oyibo efien ose o when he don tear high, even pass blage oyibo he tear high reach down. And so oyibo come take dey chat with am. Two of them come dey talk. E no take small time. He come invite oyibo. He come say make oyibo come, make come visit am for the country where he dey. And so oyibo take carry bag, but oyibo na Switzerland. Now the oyibo enter flight. Oh yeah, he land for the other countryside. He go see this black boy. As he come see am, then the black boy come tell his girlfriend say, oh black girl, abeg dey your lane first for now. Oyibo when I don dey talk to for Facebook, he don come finally come see me. Abeg first stay your track. Now black girl say, okay, oh no problem. How long your oyibo wan stay? He say he never know, but maybe 3-4 days. In your series, he say normal oyibo maybe if you too take 2-3 days, because na black e come see oyibo e no know person before Facebook and all those. Oyibo come e gree comot 2 weeks oyibo no worry one wa here na never see anything. Oyibo e no gree ready to comot. This girl say if he will call boyfriend no go carry phone. E dey dodge there. The boy you carry the oyibo come dey fear gbagba he don see oyibo. He say as he carry oyibo na so they carry am go bar, club, restaurant, everywhere. He say people come dey call am say hey boyfriend do well na he and oyibo dey come dey see for everywhere because say he tire o. Now so now they ask me so now so I still dey ask am. Me myself no know wetin dey happen. He say come say okay o dem come dey. Not until oyibo come ready to comot after 1 whole month. 1 month na oyibo take comot. And as oyibo comot, e no get anything e wan fit do because say okay o, e come carry a bag of baggages. And he say within the period of this 1 month, he himself no come fit wait again because no be say he no fit wait say maybe they scratch am, but the way the boy take do him, he wan use the opportunity dump the boy. Say how can 2 years relationship just dump him because of one oyibo like that? If he stay for a whole month, let me say tomorrow if you see another black girl wey he love pass him, he go still dump him. And so he just say can conclude. He say okay o, he still get who dey talk to am, he go begin dey follow down. As him don dey follow am 1 more time, oyibo don comot, the boy begin disturb because say abeg carry your wahala make you dey go. He himself don still hook up him own oyibo black boy. He come still dey friend the guy. Now the boy say no, why you go do like that? He tell you say na oyibo now, and you yourself he say because he see 2 of them like countless times for street for outside when they stroll dey go. He say he come say so now you cause am, so he said just still move on, me no worry, me just move on with the oyibo. The guy come dey beg. He come say okay, money when you ask you first give me number 1. He say that the boy come say he oyibo because the oyibo when he dey around, wetin make her even take reach like that, reach 1 month. He really do the boy back and front because see am say the boy na boy dey desperate to get white girl, no be say maybe for love or anything, but he was really desperate and the oyibo know. So oyibo himself na oyibo he be say don fair to follow black boy, he don open eye of here o say o. Oyibo come tell am say make he no worry for this period when you take dey around, na you go dey spend, but when he comot back to Switzerland, he go send you 10,000 cash euro. The boy come dey happy, come dey tell everybody, hey boy, I want go me now. My oyibo say he wan give me 10k. My oyibo say he wan give me 10k. My oyibo anywhere you reach, people dey say which one you know the way your woman go say no. Abeg una no talk am. He don get oyibo wan give me 10k. So they come dey call the guy oyibo wan give me 10k. So not until when oyibo comot finish, when oyibo wan go, it's cause make the guy escort him reach airport. He say that this one come make me even dey laugh. He say as the guy escort am reach airport, behold, oyibo wan comot, he come give all those makeup, all this our lipstick, lead and all of them boy wey he use remain. Pack am say oya o tieni, come dash the boy. Then the boy say wetin you wan use am do? He say you know say you get girlfriend. No fit say all those your one wey you dey do. Oyibo come begin dey speak pidgin English. Switzerland oyibo, no be black, no be say maybe na half caste, pure Switzerland girl. Oyibo come dey speak rap pidgin English with am. Say all those one you dey talk of when dey hear, I hear everything when you talk. And secondly, you no be first boyfriend, you no be first candidate. He don follow many black. He open hair pass you. Make he no worry, make he just take, make he dash his girlfriend. As for the money wey he promise you, that one no be problem, he go still give you. He say so as he comot, he come dey imagine that is the guy, the girlfriend wey give me the story. So say the guy say come dey imagine say sure, then they say this kind thing oyibo you come do, he come abeg. Come say no problem. Me and oyibo come still dey communicate. After he don reach 1 day, 2 days, the 3rd day he come dey wait say oyibo say he go send money when he reach house don rest. 3 days ebo wey send oya wedding. Now oyibo come call am, come tell am say thanks very much my lover boy. Say he really enjoy all the time when he spend with this our Africa bros. Say he really enjoy am and a real memorable time all in life. Na good memory for am. But he she e no get wey wan come give am even dey even fair who get wey wan collect join am own. So you just believe say he get 10k wey wan come give, and if you won get am he go come give you say because of wetin he come enjoy himself when Italians dey come divertire he go enjoy himself with you. So you dey available because you need white, no be say you love him. So my darling, just stay your own day, let him dey your own day. This guy be one kolo, he be one kolo throway cloth say Jesus oyibo just do he come and buy like this. At the end of the day, what do you expect? He can't go back go beg his girlfriend, and yeah, then he come make the girl call now say wetin he go do. He don dey beg the girl. Hey, he dey really beg say abeg make dem come back, abeg oyibo don go, abeg make dem start from where dem stop. Then the girl say no, where dem stop don expire tey. He don still dey into relationship, and the person he go dey into he still dey nice to her. Now make he still leave that one follow this, make people for know say dem no dey again, because the humiliation was not too much for her. Say he guy dey carry oyibo dey do sample dey follow everywhere they go. So gradually after 1 month oyibo come take comot for good 1 month. Internet oyibo, hey, real agbegi. I never even hear that kind of news before. God forbid. Oyibo just sit down for black boy you see for Facebook ask for 1 month. Wetin Benin dey call agada na this boy head. He go eat anything na the boy head. Oyibo tell am say no worry, he go give you money if you reach back to Switzerland. Since he don see say you dey good, you like her, he love you too, I will give you 10,000 euro to start life. The guy come dey happy, come dey do everything Jackie Chan. Hey, they walk like Jackie, they feed oyibo, do everything. Until oyibo come comot. When oyibo wan go, he come pack all this our makeup on the cut through come pack lipstick, makeup, and cake and all those stuff. Come dash the boy use remain. The boy say he come ask her, wetin you see me use am do? Say it say no, say get girlfriend. Abeg leave matter, me dash his girlfriend. Now he come ask the girl say how far now, what about the level? Because say you tell you say na Switzerland na he go give you. So really when the guy reach the oyibo wan comot, the guy come escort am reach airport. When the guy don comot, he come dey try call his girlfriend, and the girlfriend tell am say the number wey you dey call, he don tell we enter voice mail, he himself don dey hook up, he no need you again. The guy come dey try beg, dey explain. Then the guy come say no, he no dey vex, but he himself don move on, me himself go move on with her. Oyibo, if oyibo don go, yeah, you fit find another one, but for he no need am. He say but really for her mind he still love the boy, because he no expect the way they do him, but he still love am. But despite saying he don dey into relationship and only the friend now, he still love the girl, but he no love the new boy as much as the way he still love this ex-boyfriend. And that one he said the new guy still dey nice to her. So after oyibo don comot now, the boy no let her rest again. He say every minute, every day they come they call, they call, he has a disturb, and he still love her. So wetin he go do now? And so oyibo reach that side, where the 10,000 euro, oyibo come call and say thank you for the time wey he spend with you. You really enjoy all his holidays when he take day with you. All the fun, everything was really lively. But he no get shishi when he won't give you. He himself dey find who get 10 when he go collect 9. You come dey ask him. He just see say you na mugu, you never sabi. Then make himself come use the opportunity enjoy herself. Make he no call you again. He and I no get business. Till tomorrow oyibo number, he no dey really go again. The boy he say he be one kolo, and so he come take call his girlfriend. He say that she come see console and say yeah, take her to no vex, but he dey into relationship. And now the boy don beg tired, don say people and all that. Everybody come dey say now oyibo don go. But what about the guy when he take in the time wey that boy take disappoint, and the guy love her, he spend money for him, and na him be still dey assist for this years. But this one he come see dey assist her, and he love this ex-boyfriend more than the new one. Wetin she go do now? He don dey stuck at the middle, and the guy wants him back. He be wan go back, but he dey think of wetin he go do to the new boyfriend wey e no go come cause problem for her in future. So my darling people, wetin una expect say make this our beautiful sister do at this moment? Leave your comments on the comment section below. so that we keep it rolling. So when she dey come, she go watch the video and see all una amazing comments. So thank you all for always tuning in to Amebo Gist TV. Stay blessed. I love you all. Bye for now, guys. Bye.